Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Yoga Tab 11 and let me share with you how to add the Google account to this device. So actually, first of all, we will add the Google account and then I'll show you how to remove it, so basically how to manage Google account. And in order to do that, we have to first of all enter the settings and then in this left section scroll down in order to find the accounts. As you can see above it, we've got the Google section, and of course we can add or remove a Google account using it, but to be honest, I personally prefer to do it using this section. So let's simply tap on it, and on the right side you will see this option add account. So let's tap on it, choose Google of course. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Of course you can pick if you're the adult or this is a device for your child. And here from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Okay, so here we've got some shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to, just like I said at the very beginning of this video. All you have to do is to tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear, but be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your LENOVO Yoga Tab 11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.